Day one begins on a toxic landfill, where soil is buried under decades of waste and chemical contamination.
Mixed waste creates unstable ground and unpredictable chemical reactions. Decomposition releases gases that make farming dangerous.
Keep your eyes on the ground. Careful where you step. This ground is unstable. Just a little further.
Surface instability threatens every step.
Boundary definition is necessary to control working zones.
Yes, that's right. Keep them even.
We must be precise with these.
Deep anchoring stabilizes structural layout.
Help me get this one.
It's stuck.
Careful, don't damage the plants. That's better. Into the basket.
We'll get it all.
Next one.
Removing plastic improves soil contact. Land preparation begins to reshape terrain. Soil thickness determines safety margin.
Compost enriches nutrients for onion growth.
Structured layout improves management.
Onion bulbs contain stored nutrients for early growth. Proper depth supports root development.
Water activates root growth inside onion bulbs.
Controlled irrigation prevents deep contamination.
Controlled flow protects onion roots. Water management system stabilizes conditions.
Onion shoots begin to grow.
Growth confirms planting success.
Early monitoring detects potential failure. These are all turning. We need more water, but it's too late. This crop is lost.
Reinforcement protects onion root zones.
Soil quality improves continuously. Vegetative growth increases.
Leaf structure indicates stable nutrition.
Weed control prevents competition.
Transformation becomes visible.
Moisture balance ensures stable growth.
Water retention remains controlled. Population density improves yield.
Barrier reduces exposure to pollutants.
Protection system proves effective.
Plant strength increases. Plant strength increases.
Bulb formation begins underground.
Growth continues steadily.
land transformation accelerates. Drainage remains effective.
Mature stage approaches. Bulbs reach harvest size.
Final product emerges clearly. Quality reflects farming success.
Full cycle is completed.
Effort continues beyond production.
Visual transformation highlights achievement. Human work reshapes damaged land. Soil system remains intact.
Human persistence converts toxic land into sustainable food production.
Stability replaces chaos.
Continuous production ensures sustainability. Yes, that spot there. We must prepare the soil correctly.
Farming system scales beyond initial zone.
Nutrient cycle continues.
Storage preserves output. Post-harvest handling maintains quality. Output reaches wider communities. Environmental recovery becomes visible. Engineered soil system isolates contamination.
We need to divert the water flow here.
Yes, that makes sense. And the grain can be stored here.
That's it. Strategy drives scaling.
Growth continues beyond survival.
Root systems confirm stability. Cycle restarts.
Regeneration becomes consistent. Full transformation is achieved.
Human persistence turns waste into life.